Hello, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. I am here to do a St. Patrick's Day fun craft with you today. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below, and then you will see all the videos that I've created for you. Okay, so the craft I've chose today is a very simple craft. Not a lot of materials required, and you probably have these items at home. So I'm going to show you what you need. First thing you're going to need is a dark piece of paper. So I chose black. Okay. You're going to need a little piece of tape. You're going to need some colorful chalk. We're going to use chalk today. So I'm going to probably use my red and my green and my orange and my blue. Oh wait, do I have yellow? Maybe I have yellow too. Let's see if yellow will show up. Okay. I'm going to use those colors. And then you're going to need a pattern of a shamrock. So I got this shamrock from the computer, and this is going to be our pattern. All right, so those are the items you need. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of your tape, and you're going to tape down your shamrock onto your paper. That way it stays in place while you're using your chalk. All right. Tape is kind of stuck there. Okay. I have my tape, and I'm going to tape my shamrock down to my paper. There you go. See, it's down in the middle of it's in my paper, and I'm not holding it, and it's going to stay placed. All right. Now, this is the part where you make the shamrock. So you can start with any color chalk you want first. I'm going to put my camera down and show you. I'm going to start with green. And then we're just going to, you take your chalk and you color back and forth. And your template is going to get chalk on it. But that's okay because we're not going to keep it. And you're going back and forth around the edge of your shamrock. It's going to look really fun. Really fun. So you go back and forth over the paper and onto your background paper. Okay. I'm going to switch to a different color. I think I will go to blue. And I'll go over here on this side. And that's the same thing. You go back and forth. As you can see, I'm getting it on the template and the paper. And the shamrock is staying still because we taped it down. And I'm going to make the outline of the shamrock on my paper. I'm going to turn it and show you. Blue looks nice. I'm going to move on to red, and I'm going to do the red. I think I'll do the red next to the blue. And this is all you're doing is you're coloring back and forth with the chalk onto your paper. Okay. And then I will pick, my last color. I'm going to try the yellow. You know, white would look very nice on this too, and it would show up nice on the dark paper. So if you have white chalk, you can try it with white too. Actually, I can use the orange on the stem, so I can use all 5 of my colors. Okay. I'm going to lift mine up and show you what it looks like. I'm going to take the template off. It looks fabulous. You can see the shamrock. Don't you just love it? All right, I'm going to write the word Happy St. Patrick's Day on it. And then it's all ready to hang up and display. If you want to give it to somebody or put it on your refrigerator, that would be great. You can just put a little message on your paper too. And then you can hang your project up. Doesn't need any time to dry. Okay. There you go. This is how mine turned out. Hope you enjoyed this craft today, and I'll see you again next time for Ms. Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts.